Welcome back to the channel.
So we're hungry and it's time to go get dinner, and we're still here at Aliante, so we're gonna go eat at the Salted Lime.
So come get lost with us today.
Alright, now that we have a seat, let's take a look around.
Alright, so there's the Salted Lime right there, right off the casino.
Very rich salsa. It's a slow burn. It's the burn you kind of just like feel in your chest, kind of like when you drink tequila. It's a little spicy, but it's good. It definitely tastes house made for sure. But yes, it's a little bit more like the roasted chili. I think that's where they get that like dark chili color from, as they like roast the chilies. It's good. It's a slow burn. Slow burn. Let's see what Gary thinks.
Alright, so the first thing I'm going to try is the chips and salsa. Wow. So they do definitely, what is it called when you touch up the vegetables? Like
Roast.
roast, yes, I was going to say toast. When you roast the vegetables, there's definitely a roasted vegetable salsa there. A lot of pepper in it too. Ooh, it's got a little bit of kick on that back end.
It's that slow burn.
But you get a nice smoothness from the tomatoes and stuff, and it kind of smoothness, and then it kind of rolls into just a ton of fire in the back of your throat. So that salsa's really good though. You should definitely give it a try when you're here. And we got some drinks coming out, so we'll come and get you when they get them.
Really sweet. Wow. It's really sweet. And you can definitely taste the tequila in it and the rum. It's strong. It's a strong drink, but it is good. I have been on a fruity roll today, and this is right up there with all my fruity drinks. Yeah, this is pretty good. Let's see what Gary thinks about his drink.
So I got the blood orange. I'm not sure if it's a margarita or not. It does kind of seem like one. So I will say, we had the TGI Fridays earlier because that was the only thing open for beverages, and those drinks were pretty watered down. This got some kick to it. I like the orange flavor. I like that kick of orange that kicks in there, and a little bit of lime too. Ooh, that's a tasty drink. I definitely recommend the blood orange. So far the drinks have been really good here. So we're gonna wait on our meal, and we'll come and get you when they get here.
So as you guys just saw, we just got our tableside guac. And I have to say, it's really tasty. He did a great job mixing up all the ingredients and putting them all together and making a great tableside guac for us. So, 2 thumbs up.
Alright, so I'm going to try the guacamole. I love the creaminess of the avocado, the nice little bite of the onion, mixed with kind of that coolness of the tomato and everything, and then you kick that with lime juice and cilantro. Oh, so good. Definitely recommend the tableside guac. So we've got some main courses coming out, and we'll come and get you when they get here. They do have a robot in here. Hi, Mr. Robot. All right, so I got the fajitas. I got the choose your two, and it comes with chicken and steak. So let's give it a try. I added some pico, some sour cream, some guacamole, and a little bit of refried beans to it. So like I was saying, I did get the fajitas. Super tasty, super nice and tender. The chicken's nice and tender. The steak has a nice bite to it. Overall, pretty good so far. Let's see what Nacy thinks about her chimichurri steak.
Alright, so I got the chimichurri steak, and it smells really good. It looks really good. So here's to hoping it tastes good. It's actually really good. I hate to say this, but this is actually better than my steak that I had last night when we ate over at Market Land and Sea. Or Sea and Land, one of the two. But anyways, if you want to see what that experience looked like, make sure you check out that video. But yeah, this one is way better. So this is actually pretty decent. So we're gonna keep eating our meal, and we'll come meet you guys outside with our final thoughts. Yeah. Okay, so for dessert we got fried ice cream. Cheers. It's good. It's very sweet though. Very, very sweet. But it's tasty. Let's see what Gary thinks.
I'm gonna try the fried ice cream. So the breading around the ice cream is really good. It's got a little bit of coconut in there. It tastes super good. It is a little bit on the sweet side though. The vanilla bean's really good too. Mix it with the whipped cream. It's pretty tasty overall. So we're gonna finish up our dessert and we'll come get you on the outside. All right, so that concludes our eating at the Salted Lime. What did you think, Nacy?
It was alright. It was actually some of the best food we've had here so far.
For sure. Yeah, the steak was probably better than the steaks we had last night. I mean, my H prime rib might be comparable, but still, it was really good. The fajitas were okay. The guac was really good, and so was the fried ice cream.
I really enjoyed my chimichurri steak, and I definitely liked it better than the steak that I had last night. The fried ice cream was a really nice top off to the dinner, and I have to say, yeah, the tableside guac was almost as good as Juan's Flaming Fajitas. So
yeah, definitely check out Juan's Flaming Fajitas. It's actually right down the road from here too, so that could be an option if you're staying here and want some other Mexican cuisine.
And we might be going there tomorrow for Cinco de Mayo. So,
yeah. So don't forget to
anyways.
subscribe. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when I do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get you guys for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth?
Bye,